Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a hair water dye technique on this unit. This hair that I received is from Ali Grace. It's the 613 hair dyed color, the blonde wig actually. I'm using the hair dye from Koenen number 9 and the lowest percentage developer number 6, 20% developer. You can just mix it. This is a hairstyle or hair salon technique, but you can just purchase a hair coloring box from the local beauty supply store if you think it's easier for you, because you really have to mix this properly, otherwise you're not going to receive the coloring in the correct way. So you can just follow my techniques, or you can just skip this part and go all the way to the back or in the middle when I do the hair dye technique. So yeah. So first, what I'm gonna do before I section the hair, or if you want to section the hair, around the frontal, I'm just gonna color everything, because that is the most important area that you want to color. And after that, you can section the hair in 3 parts. It really depends what you like, but if you want to have more feel, what you're gonna do, or what you're gonna color, or where you already colored, you better section the hair off. It doesn't matter how many centimeters you color the hair roots. It really depends how you want it to look. I am just coloring. I'm not overthinking too much. I'm just applying it on the lace and the hair, and for me it doesn't matter if it also comes on the lace. So just follow my steps, and then we'll get to the water part, the best part of the video, of course. All right. Just taking small sections and just making sure that everything has the hair dye. I know the hair dye is coming on the lace, but I don't mind if it comes on the lace. The lace is not super transparent, but it is a lighter skin tone, so the knots, I definitely want the knots to be colored, and the lace I can color with a foundation, or either a foundation powder. Here I'm just checking if I have colored all of the hairs and the knots and everything that's going to the lace. Just make sure that everything is done. Okay, so after 45 minutes, I rinsed the hair out. I left it for gonna flat iron. I'm gonna blow dry it again, but do it off camera. I'm gonna flat iron, and then you will see me styling it. And yeah. Here I'm just creating baby hairs and edges. I did apply my wig off camera. This is just because I have a bunch of videos on my channel, how I do the stocking cap method, how I make a wig, how I glue down my frontal with the bolt hole, everything. Like, I can't even say how much things I have on my channel, so you can go check that out. I will leave it in the description box below. I'm using the normal wrapping mousse just to create a little bit edges, not too much. This wig is giving me a lot of colors that I want. The brown roots, pink, lavender, everything that I wanted to create. Soft, not too bright, where you can rock this every day maybe, or once a week. I don't know, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is my video. Hope you like it. Definitely comment if you want to see more of the watercoloring hair dye videos on my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.